Hello students, in previous parts we have discussed about the morphology of cockroach, and in this video we started to the anatomy of the cockroach. Anatomy in cockroach. Anatomy means internal study. There are different types of system present in the cockroach. Firstly we will discuss on digestive system. Digestive system in cockroach. How is the digestive system consist? As we have know that cockroach is omnivores, means they can feed all types of food particles. These are omnivores. The mouth act as chewing and biting or crushing, biting the food particles. The body of the cockroach is segmented in three guts. Or body region of the cockroach is three guts: foregut, midgut, hindgut. Body regions. There are three regions in cockroach: foregut, frontal gut जिसको बोलते हैं, midgut and the hindgut. Firstly, we will discuss on how the digestive system present in the cockroach. A cockroach consists, this is the mouth-like structures, and from mouth is the mouth. A long tubular structure arises. This long tubular structure is known as buccal cavity. Then buccal cavity changes into a thin tubular structure which makes the esophagus. And after the esophagus, the tubular structures arises in a sac-like structures. This sac-like structure is known as crop. And what is the role of crop? फूड मटेरियल जो गेन किया जाता है क्रॉप में आकर के वो स्टोर हो जाता है. स्टोर द फूड. Just below the crop, special highly coiled cells are present. These highly coiled cells are known as gizzard. And what is the role of gizzard? It crushing the food material. To crush the food material. Because these cells are made up of chitin, और chitinous cell मतलब chitinous substance की बनी होती हैं. These cells are made of chitins, and if we dissect these cells, we can see that this type of structures just in the mandibles. There are 6 teeth-like structures present. These are the teeth-like structures. As the food particles enters into the gizzard, these food particles in gizzard क्रशिंग, दिस टीथ हेल्प इनटू क्रशिंग द फूड पार्टिकल्स, फूली पार्ट को क्रश कर देते हैं. सो द गट विच स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम द माउथ टू गिजर्ड इज नोन एज foregut. This is the structure of, and this is the gut region of foregut, from mouth to gizzard. And just attachment to the gizzard, there are 6 to 8 pair of cells arises. This is known as hepatic cecae, or your single is known as ceca. Just below the gizzard, 6 to 8 pairs cells are arises which are known as hepatic cecae. What is the role of hepatic cecae? These hepatic cecae secrete the gastric juice or digestive juice. You can say that digestive juice, which help to digest the food particles. Just below to the hepatic cecae, the tubules structure में coiling, these tubule structure में coiling, highly coiled structure, tubule structure में arises, and after some distance there are yellow color 100 to 150 फाइन ट्यूबुल्स, मतलब पतली पतली नलिकाएं अराइजेज होते हैं, जिनको क्या बोलते हैं? मेलपिगियन ट्यूबुल्स. दीज आर 100 to 150. And these are known as Malpighian tubules. What is the role of Malpighian tubules? From different part of the body, they take the waste substance and reach to the and take this into the alimentary canal. जो वेस्ट सब्सटेंस बॉडी से कलेक्ट करते हैं, तो वेस्ट सब्सटेंस बॉडी से कलेक्ट करके कहाँ लेके आती हैं? एलिमेंट्री कैनल के अंदर. These are known as Malpighian tubules. How many present? There are 100 to 150 tubules may arises, and they are yellow in color. What is the role of Malpighian tubules? They collect the waste substance from all the body and take into the intestine. After the Malpighian tubule, it means the distance or region between the hepatic cecae and Malpighian cecae, Malpighian tubules, this is known as midgut. Foregut means mouth to gizzard, and then hepatic cecae, the distance or the gut region between the hepatic cecae and Malpighian tubules is known as midgut. After the midgut, the alimentary canal may wider. This becomes wider. And this wider part is known as intestine. This intestine consists, and after that the digestive जो वेस्ट फूड है वो कहाँ आ गया? इंटेस्टाइन में आ जाता है. जो डाइजेस्ट हो गया वो रह गया, उसके बाद डाइजेस्टिव के बाद जो वेस्ट फूड है कहाँ गया? इंटेस्टाइन में. और इंटेस्टाइन में आके कहाँ? रेक्टम में आके स्टोर हो जाता है. रेक्टम, व्हाट इज द रोल ऑफ रेक्टम? दिस इज आल्सो ए वाइडर पार्ट. Store the waste food before secretion or releation. वेस्ट फूड को सिक्रेशन करने से पहले बॉडी से कहां स्टोर होता है? रेक्टम के अंदर. एंड आफ्टर द वेस्ट फूड, दिस इज एक्सक्रीट थ्रू द पोर विच इज नोन एज एनस और एनल पोर. And this anal pore is present in the 10th segments, in the 10 segments जहां प्रेजेंट तो वहां पर एनल पोर प्रेजेंट, दिस वेस्ट फूड इज रिलीज थ्रू द बॉडी थ्रू द एनल पोर विच इज प्रेजेंट इन द 10 segments of the body. This is the lower portion, means कहां से मेल्पिकियन ट्यूबुल से लेकर के एनस पोर तक. दिस गट और दिस रीजन इज नोन एज हाइंड गट. There are 3 different regions in a cockroach: foregut, midgut, hindgut. The region between the mouth to hepatic cache is known as foregut. The region between the hepatic cache to Malpighian tubule is known as midgut, and the region between the Malpighian tubule to anal pore, that is known as hindgut. So this type of digestive system may be completed in the cockroach.